A few days ago we saw Optimus showing his martial arts skills at the Tron movie premiere, and alongside that Tesla shared this on their X account. The grid is expanded to your Tesla, Tron, Aries update rolling out now. And just days later it's already over-the-aired itself to my car. But before we go and take a look and see what it's all about, why have I got Tron in my car? Is this akin to that time where U2 gave their album out for free and had it automatically downloaded onto everyone's devices, even though nobody really wanted it? And there were riots in the streets. Well, I might be exaggerating that bit. Or is having the option to press a button on screen to transform my Tesla into a Tron machine just a bit of fun? Well, let's find out. So what is it? The Tron update refers to Tesla's new software release 2025.38.3.1, which includes a promotional Tron Aries mode tied to Disney's new movie, allowing owners to transform their vehicles' on-screen visualizations into a glowing light cycle from the Tron franchise. If you don't recall the original movie from 1982, it's this one, a bit of a cult classic nowadays. To activate it, just go to your toy box, go to Tron, and it's optional and cosmetic with no impact on core vehicle functions. It changes the dashboard vehicle avatar to a red light motorcycle, adds Tron-inspired glowing lines and animations to the navigation display, and syncs compatible interior RGB lights to red for an immersive effect. Rollout began on the 10th of October, coinciding with Tron Aries film premiere. Available on the 3, Y, S, X and Cybertruck with recent hardware. The reception though has been a bit mixed. Fans call it fun and nostalgic, but critics view it as intrusive advertising amid Elon Musk's past Disney tensions. Remember this?
You don't want them to advertise?
No.
What do you mean?
If somebody's going to try to blackmail me with advertising, blackmail me with money, go f*** yourself. Is that clear? I hope it is. Hey, Bob.
Elon Musk directly addressing Bob Iger, the CEO of the Walt Disney Company there. I guess they've made up. This has sparked a little debate on in-car promo priorities over some bug fixes, but good grief, chill out people, it's just a bit of fun. It's an option you don't ever have to click on, just like you don't have to click on buying Brussels sprouts if you see them on your online shop. Despite they're right there waiting for you, you don't have to click them. I spotted this from Dean earlier at the Tesla Ventura. He posts, "I'm getting some interesting features with it. I feel invincible."
Other than those updates, I have no... Oh my god, did you see that lorry sting? I did not just drive through a lorry. What the hell just happened? Okay, if somebody was in the back and they just woke up and they were like coming out of a deep sleep and they looked at the screen then and saw that visualization, they would have had a heart attack.
Not sure if that's a software bug or a feature of Tron mode. Let me know in the comments. Oh, just as I was enjoying some new software features, look what's landed in my inbox. Hi Will, we're writing to inform you that Tesla has issued a recall on Model Y vehicles produced in 2025, blah blah blah. Oh, records show that you are the owner of a vehicle affected by this action. And the reason for the recall, a key safety feature on the front window was not activated on right-hand drive models due to an internal error. This affected the Window's anti-pinch system, causing closing forces to exceed 100 newtons and resulting in non-compliance with UNIS. Without proper force limits, there's an increased risk of injury to a finger or a limb that might get caught in the window. Ow! What Tesla will do, at no cost to customers, oh that's good, affected vehicles began receiving an over-the-air update remedy in August. What you should do, no further action is necessary from owners whose vehicles are equipped with the required software release. So there's nothing to do. There was a recall that happened in August a couple of months ago and I didn't even know about it. It's already been fixed. Well, thanks for the email, I guess. Well, the joy of having over-the-air software updates which only ever improve my car. It's just magic. Think of the time saved if I'd have had another car where I would have had to take it to a dealer for the day and get a courtesy car, a day off work, blah, blah, blah. Goodness me, how many recalls like that have happened to Tesla owners where there's nothing to do, just a software update on its way. Flipping brilliant. Wow, I got a new software update this morning. Go to, what am I going to do? App Launcher, Toy Box, Tron. Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Woo! Clean my screen though, it's a bit filthy. Excuse me. Wow. That's cool. Oh, just opened the bonnet, now I can't close it again. Oh, that's the boot. You see, wouldn't it be cool to have SpaceX mode on here? Maybe a classic car vibe or something like that. I don't know, you can have loads of different profile settings, couldn't you? This new Tron on-screen visualization reminded me that of my past suggestion that it would be great to see more fun, stylized on-screen displays, something I really enjoyed playing with in when I test drove that electric Mini with their classic retro displays, a sports version and other themes. Come to think about it, whatever happened to Volkswagen ID2's similar promises of on-screen styles like these retro analog gauges and tape deck display? Something for me to look into. My Patreon poll this week asks, which Tesla on-screen theme would you love most? A SpaceX theme, a 16-bit retro gamer, a cyberpunk cityscape, I guess a bit like the Cybertrucks I suppose, or a steampunk theme? Just imagine the possibilities and the fun the software engineers could have with making these different stylized versions. But, come and get involved with me and my wonderful bunch of Tesla Jigsaw supporters at patreon.com/Tesla Jigsaw. Your support really does help a lot as I fumble into the future on YouTube. Thanks so much. I'm Will, this is the Tesla Jigsaw. Thank you, patrons. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.